In this video, we're going to be creating a turtle racing game, so watch till the end to find out how it works. Hey guys! In today's video, as I told, we are going to be doing a turtle racing game, so let's get started. First of all, we're going to import the turtle library and store it in a variable called t. And then we're going to do a pen up before going to the starting position. So we're gonna do t.pinup like you wanna draw something and you need to find the exact position. Same for the turtle. Now we're commanding the turtle to go to minus 140 and 40. So if this is 0, 0, our center of the screen, minus 140 will be somewhere over here and 140 will be maybe here. So maybe something over here. Now we're going to go for step in range. Means we want this to repeat 14 times. As I told you, the last number is always excluded. So if we want to go 13 times, we'll write 14 over here. Then what we're gonna do? We're gonna go ahead and t dot right. We're gonna step in a line in the center. So here, what we're gonna do? We're actually gonna not basically right, but this is a function to go to the center. Now we're gonna go ahead and go right. Now for num in range 8 means we want to create 7 times the line. Pen up, forward 10, pen down, forward 10. Just like that. Like dotted lines. 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot. There is space, so that's why we're doing this code. We're gonna go ahead and make space back. So basically there are two for loops in this. Number 1 for loop is here, and number 2 for loop is right after right, the turn right. Then after you're done with the second for loop, you just minus one space back and you are in the first for loop. And that's it. Now what we're gonna do, we're in the second, first for loop, we're gonna go ahead, pen up, we're gonna go backwards 160 and left 90. Then we're gonna go ahead and 20 forward. Now we're going to define our three turtles that will be racing. You can add four or three or two, whatever you like. So Tom is going to be equal to turtle. His color is going to be red and he is going to be a turtle, the shape. We're going to do the same for Jerry. And Jerry, I kept the color green. Spike is also going to be a turtle and I kept the color orange. So it's basically like red, orange, green, just like that. Now it's gonna time to place them in the position. So we're gonna Tom Tom pen up and go to minus 160 comma 100. So if this is our starting point, so it's minus 160 somewhere over here and 100 somewhere here. So they're getting spawned at the position. Then we're gonna minus 30 from 100, which is gonna be 70. So Jerry go to minus 160, 70. So it's gonna be at the same line as X, just 30 steps away. Same, we're gonna go for Spike. Minus 30 from 70, which is going to be 40. So they're like a 30 step difference. Now we're gonna go ahead and import the random library and to use the random function. So we're gonna import the random library for step in range 1 to 100. So we are gonna go ahead and use a for loop here. 1 to 100 means 1 to 100 steps. Wanna pick a random number. So now we're gonna move the turtles by random increment. Like the computer isn't controlling them, the random function is. So Tom forward random.random 1 to 5. So this line means that the computer will choose any number from 1 to 5 to go forward. Like Tom is my cursor over here, and the computer chose to go 2 steps. So 1, 2. And for Jerry, it chose to go 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's how we know, just like that, we can create a turtle racing game. So let's get started. We're going to go back up and click on run. As you can see, it's creating dotted lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Now spawning the turtle and they're racing. And the winner is, it looks like the green turtle's winner, which is Jerry. See over here, Jerry is our green color turtle, so Jerry is then the winner. So, thank you so much for watching this, guy. If you're one of those people to watch till the end, then make sure to like, subscribe this video, because you have learned a great amount of information. And tell me in the comments about what you have learned. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.